Grace Kitchens is pleased to present Creative Cooking, special editions for the festive season. Exciting recipes, traditional and new, for all the moments that will make your holiday special. And now, here is today's host.
Welcome to Creative Cooking. Christmas morning is a special time for family and friends. Some start with a big breakfast, while others go to church early and have breakfast after the church service. Usually we serve traditional Jamaican dishes. Here I have displayed some of the traditional dishes that we serve. And here we have ackee cooked up with corned pork. We have served some slices of fried plantain. And we also have scrambled eggs with baked beans. On this platter, I have some slices of boiled yam. But I also have some boiled banana which was boiled and crushed. And it is arranged here in a mold. And here we have callaloo in a mold. And you notice that there's a space here, don't you worry. I'm going to be demonstrating the preparation of a meal that we will put right here. But if we look over here, we have blended carrots with Vitamalt, and naturally we have added some vanilla and some cinnamon and a little nutmeg. It makes the world of a difference. And beside it we have eggnog. Christmas morning is not quite complete without eggnog. Notice we have hot chocolate, we have cinnamon leaf and nutmeg, we have mace, a pinch of salt. Listen to me, you need to taste. Now, I have one other dish that I'd like to add to this. And that's a dish I'm going to prepare for you. I am preparing a liver dish. Here I have thyme. We have some ginger that we grated. It contributes a lovely flavor to the liver dish. We have some grated ginger. And we also have onion. We'll add just a wee bit of black pepper, maybe about a 1/8 of a teaspoon. We'll add a dash of soy sauce, and we season the liver. Cover and put it in the refrigerator for it to develop flavor. In the interest of time, we prepared one for you. The seasoned liver, I'll now put this in some flour. And we're going to use the flour to coat the liver. And while I'm doing this, the Grace vegetable oil is heating. Test it. Yes, that's ready. Shake off the excess flour. Quick and easy. You'll see for yourself. Just about 8 or 10 minutes is needed for cooking time. Then we fry for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side. Boy, this is one of my favorite breakfast dishes. And as soon as we are finished frying this, we will drain this on absorbent paper. We will strain off a little of the vegetable oil and return the pan to the burner. Now we will use this to saute the seasonings we are using. What are the seasonings? Chopped scallion. We have some chopped onion. We have green peppers here. And we also have red and yellow. So we are using up the produce the farmer grows. We have some tomatoes. We have Scotch bonnet pepper. It couldn't be quite complete without a little Scotch bonnet pepper for flavor. And to this we add just about a cup of broth that we make from Grace cock soup mix. We need to add some Grace tomato ketchup, just about a half a cup. And of course, we need to add a little fish and meat sauce, Grace fish and meat sauce. This liver was fried ahead of time, so we add it to the mix and spoon the sauce over the fried liver. Breaded liver, yes. I told you this will be ready in not more than 10 minutes. And it's ready for plating. So I'm displaying this in the space we reserved. Can you imagine this with slices of roast breadfruit? And we can't forget that Christmas morning we're accustomed to serving like the Christmas bread. For those people who might not want to have yam or breadfruit for that matter, the Christmas bread, that big duck bread, yes, you could do slices and you enjoy with this. I trust you will enjoy the breakfast ideas that we share with you in this program. And we'll be more than happy to share the recipes with you so that you can share them with your own family. On behalf of the team at Grace Kitchens, we want to thank you for staying with us throughout the years. We thank you for requesting recipes. We thank you for your questions, your concerns, and we also thank you for your criticisms. Have a holy, peaceful, and a safe Christmas.